How to deposit money in Starling Bank. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can deposit money in Starling Bank, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, depositing the money on Starling Bank is also fairly simple, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to actually launch the Starling Bank application here. Now, there are many ways to deposit money. Let's say you're trying to receive money from someone, or maybe you're just trying to deposit a check. Be it whatever else, you'll find the banking application. Go ahead and first of all log into your Starling Bank app by just tapping the login as a returning customer option. So make sure to enter your phone number here, and once you enter your phone number, you can just go ahead and tap the continue button, and once you tap on continue, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log in. And right when you log in, there you'll find the option to deposit money, or you can also scan your QR code so that other people can deposit money to you. This way you'll be able to deposit money in Starling Bank. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.